#1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.
Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I made an actual helpful video, like what, a year. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, go ahead and leave a subscription and like the video if you find this video helpful. So I've got lots of comments asking me what I use to edit and what app is this and what app is that. So this is basically Photoshop for your Android device. So this is going to be the version for Android 10 and 11. I'm going to leave a download link for you guys to download it. So it's going to be a Google Drive link to basically get this version. It is basically the 1.7.7 version from the older gen. So if you guys have any Android device that is not Android 10 or Android 9 or whatever, you won't be able to use this because this is ported for Android 10 and 11. So yeah, basically that is all this video has to offer. So if you guys just find this video helpful, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So yeah, basically that is all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Hello everybody, my name is Islam and welcome back to another video. On today's video we are going to make this glitch text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first thing first is open up Adobe Photoshop and let's create a new document right here. 1920 by 1080 at 150 resolution. Leave everything else as it is. I have chosen a custom color of dark gray that is 0E0E0E for its hex code. So let's create this file. Let's go to the text tool and let's choose the horizontal type tool. I'll have my font as Gotham Black, the regular one, 220 pixel for the size. Make sure to write it on the like the middle. And for the color, I've chosen a white that is F2, F2, F2. Alright. Let's write in some text like Ultima. Make sure that it is all in caps, or let's just write Ultra to make it a little bit lighter. So yeah, I will just like right click on the text layer right here and rasterize the type. Alright, let's center it. Okay, so after we center it, we are going to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard. Alright, and I will duplicate it one more time. So let's just zoom in right here. So for the first duplicate, we are going to double click it or just like open the blending options. Oh no, I have my Steam open. Anyways, yeah, I know he's playing Dota 2. Anyways, let's just open the blending options and let's uncheck the green for a magenta color. Alright, so for this one I will move it 3 pixels to the left. Let's open up the second duplicate and let's uncheck the red for a cyan color. Now let's move it 3 pixels to the right, and we have this holographic type of effect on our text. Alright, so what I will do is just like group these, then duplicate the group and merge it by either pressing Ctrl E or right click on the group, then merge. Alright, after that, what I will do is go to the Marquee tool on keyboard or here. Just go to the rectangular Marquee tool. Then I will choose a row like this, then move it right here. Alright, so here you will be on your own. Alright, what do I mean by that? You are either unsee this one and this will create this type of black pitches right here, or you can view it right like that and this will create an effect like this. Alright, so yeah, it is all up to you, but I will just like keep it unseen like this. I'd like to have some of that darkness on the text, like it is empty. So yeah, I will just speed up the process because it will take me some time, and the more time you give it, the better result it will be. Alright, with that process done, you can see what I said. You can choose both doing this and doing that. It is like a visual choice of yours. You can do whatever you'd like. Obviously, this choice is mainly yours. So, for the next step, what I will gonna do is go to filter, distort displays, keep the default settings, press OK, and this will load up this thing. Obviously, I will choose my displacement number 9. These displacements will be linked down below, and number 9 will give it this type of effects. Alright, and this looks absolutely amazing for me, at least. You can choose either, like, there are 10 displacements effects. You can choose whatever you'd like. I'd like to have mine on number 9. Alright, let's duplicate this layer and change the blending mode to screen. Alright, so what the screen will do is give up like this type of effects on both the cyan color and the magenta. But what I will do is go to a filter again, blur, Gaussian blur, and change it to 5 pixels. Now this will make it even better. So just like put it right here in the center. So what this will do is make this type of glow outside and inside the text. This is why I placed the glowing one on top of the text. Alright, if we do that, it will be boring. Alright, but this will make it definitely interesting as a design. Alright, so for the next step, what I will do is load up a background image, although you can add more things to it, but I will just load up a background image. So this background won't be like meh, you know, it won't be empty. Alright, so great, just close these. So I've loaded up, like, these can be downloaded through Griffith. There will be a link to his channel down below, and both his channel and the download link. I will choose the number 1 texture. You can like go whatever you want, but for this tutorial I will just go with my number 1 texture right here. I'll just load it right here and wait for it a little bit because it is a little bit heavy, so it will take a little bit of time to load in. And yeah, I am waiting. Alright, so the wait is over. Apparently, let's just size it up a little bit like this. Alright, and put it behind the text. Alright, so as you can see, the glowing effect is like apparent on the background. This is why it shows the texture number 1, because it will make the glowing more apparent due to the screen blending mode. Alright, with that, let's just go to levels, and let's just like make it a little bit darker by doing this, which is what I moved is the gray color to 0.48, and for the white color I moved it to 155. This will make the background even more darker, and the screen effect or the glow effect will be more apparent. Alright, so what I will do too is create a layer above the level, and I will choose a purple color right here, or any color of your liking. I just like purple, obviously, and go to the bucket tool, paint right here, and change the blending mode to color. Yeah, color right here, and this will make this effect on the background. Alright, what I will do is duplicate the texture layer or the background layer and move it right 4 pixels to the left or to the right, your choice, and I will uncheck the green for a magenta color. Alright, so what this will do, if we change it from color to overlay, and if we change the levels displacement right here to a little bit lighter like this will make it even apparent. So yeah, I've given you 2 choices of backgrounds. You can either choose the one with the color overlay, or the color hue, or here color. Alright, so yeah, I'll go with my second choice. Alright, so with this I will just group it and name it background. All right, and these I'll just like unlock it and name it hidden layers. This isn't essentially just for you know, to make the document look better. So what I will go to is adjustment layer, selective color. So for this project, as you can see right here, I have both the cyan color and the magenta color. And luckily, right here, we can change both cyan and magenta, alright? For the cyan, I want to make it a little bit poppier. Like, if you change the metric of the yellow to 100, you will see that the cyan color right here, like at the glow effect, it will change to a green, light green. But if I change it to right here, it will change to a pop cyan or a retrowave cyan, which is a very great color. Alright, so yeah, for this step, it is mainly your choice. You can make it however way you want it. Just go with this one for the cyans, and as you can see, without it, the cyans are very boring. With this one, it looks very amazing. Alright, the same thing we are going to do to the magentas. Let's just change the magenta to 100 for a rich color, and something like this. For the yellow, I will just like keep it around here. For the blacks, I'll give it right here. So yeah, we've got this hot pink color and this retrowave cyan color. Alright, so I want this effect to just like be present on the text. As you can see, if I turn again this adjustment layer, it changes the color of the background, which is something I don't want to do. So what I will do is group these text layers and name them text. Then I will right click on the adjustment layer, then create a clipping mask, so it won't be affecting my background. It will just affect the text, which is the thing I'd like to do. So last thing to do is go to brightness and contrast and just like add a little bit contrast to it, and you can increase the light to, the brightness to 15, the color, the contrast on 40. Alright, this will make the color even better. And yeah, that's it for today's design. Obviously, this document will be in the description down below if we reach 15 likes. So yeah. Oh, also there is another thing you can do which will make it a little bit better, is to duplicate the text layer right here and merge these two and create a color dodge effect. And for the opacity, I will go with a 70%. Let's go to blur, Gaussian blur, and make it the radius to 2 pixels. And yeah, just like keep it right there. Selective color, duplicate it once more, create a clipping mask, and this will give us this brightness on the background, because apparently the brightness and contrast has demolished the brightness that was on the screen effect, but this one, the color dodge, does burn through the background. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like these. I would be very appreciative of that. So, if you'd love to share this to your friends, I'd also appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in next week. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, squash out.
Hey, yeah. 1 time for the pretty women, 2 times for my brother's living, 3 times for the city limits. Look, yeah, just landing back from Anaheim. Damage rapids through my mind, triggers calmed within the newest time. Trying to reach my prime, but I need a ladder to climb. The questions that I'm asking, let's relax and water.